Welcome and greetings from Vice Chanakya. Everything in life is binary, so is your relationship with money. For some, it is an enabler, for others, it is an impediment. Most of us don't have a healthy relationship with money. We think of it as an impediment, something that constantly gets in our way. Or we think of it as a final goal, something that we will solve all our problems. In reality, money is just a tool. Realizing this will change our habits in some very interesting ways. However, it's easy to say money is just a tool when you have a lot of it. When you don't, it feels impossible to think of money that way. Because so many of our problems are money problems. It's impossible to see money as a tool because money has become an impediment, an enemy. So, it all depends on what kind of a relationship you share with money. Let's today talk about 5 ways in which you can make your relation with money a healthy one. First and foremost, you should love money. Love is the most important emotion a human being feels, and emotion has a lot to do with the results you get in life. Successful people don't hate money or think it as an evil force. They enjoy the fruits of their labors and they love everything about what they do in the world, including creating wealth. As Sarah Berkeley, the youngest self-made female billionaire in the world, puts it, money is fun to make, fun to spend, and fun to give away. Number two, make more money. One sure short way to build your relationship with money is to make more money. The more you make, the more you can do with it. Number three, be frugal, spend less. Spending is a joy. Sometimes it takes away more than the joy it gives. Curtail your desires and wants to make room for some investment. Make it a habit to spend on what you need and not to spend on what you can live without. Remember, it's the law of nature. To go up, you have to give up. Number four, very important, invest more. In India, we have a saying, Lakshmi Chanchal hai, uske पीछे भागोगे तो हाथ नहीं आएगी. You need to create ways how money comes to you rather than you running after money. A sure short way is investing and investing early. Number five, plan your money goals. Be sure to plan your money goals. These goals are what will keep you focused and will give you a direction. All the 5 things which we have discussed so far will keep you in love with money and help money to be an enabler rather than being an impediment in your life. As they rightly say, money is an amplifier. It amplifies what is inside. I am sure these 5 tips will help you, or these 5 steps which we have spoken about will help you to stay in love and stay in love with your money and help you to think of money as a tool rather than an impediment. This is Vice Chanakya signing off.